Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining in today. And we're doing an open box, guys. Kind of different settings from what you guys are used to, but I'm gonna try to start doing videos this way. I got from Amazon something for the Chevy. I'm trying to upgrade the truck as I go, little to little. And I think that one of the things that I am not happy at all on the truck is the lining. So I decided to go into Amazon, and when I went over there, I purchased this Brighter Than LED headlight kit. I think I paid $40 for this, and we're gonna do an open box. Let's go. Okay guys, so what do I have here? I have some LED headlight kits. The package says it's 300% brighter than the regular stock light bulbs on the truck. There's also a fan included with 12,000 RPMs fan. I don't know what that is. CANbus-Ready EMC. I don't know what that is neither, and easy installation. So this is the box. Looks like they have a bunch of different options for this LED light. So as you guys can see here, you can have anything from an H1, H3, H4, H7, and so on. When you go to Amazon, you're trying to purchase this, it's going to ask you about your vehicle. I'm going to put a link in the description below for you guys can take a look at this and probably purchase it if it's applicable to your vehicle. Also, if let's say I have a Chevy and you have a Toyota, if they sell this kit that applies to your vehicle, it will give you an option. So let me open this right here. Okay, let's open up. So in the box we get some zip ties and an Allen key. Cool. We get some user manual, and they give you some instructions and pictures on how to put it together. Pretty cool. And then inside of here you get the two light bulbs with their respective. I'm gonna pull one out. I know for a fact that I'm not supposed to touch the fan. So, or not the fan. I'm not supposed to touch the LED. So this looks very cool, I think. Here's the fan. I don't know why there's a fan there. This is some type of model right here. This is very cool. Very cool. And then that's the adapter for the Chevy. So it looks super cool, guys. I don't know if you guys can see this with details. I'm gonna bring it closer to the camera so you guys can take a look. This is so cool. And the fan. Okay guys, they look good. There's some kind of metal on the top, and there's some type of grease. I'm excited about putting this together on the truck. So let's go out. Let's put it on. Let's go. Okay guys, so what do we have right here? We have a 3500 lifted. I'm in a ladder, guys. I am not joking. This is the only way that I can accomplish this portion of the installation right here. And I'm gonna bring you with me. There's a lot of noise outside. There's a couple of things that I want you guys to be mindful. I'm not a professional. I'm not an expert. Probably the way I'm doing this is probably incorrect, but I'm learning as we go. So if you have any questions or any comments, if you wanna, give me some pointers, let me know in the comments section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, guys? Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm done with the installation. Hopefully you like that little time lapse. I gotta show you right now. I don't know if you guys can hear, but the fan is going. It's putting a lot of heat right here. Yeah, let me see if the microphone can get there, so you guys can hear the actual fan. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the second project that I do on my truck. You know, the first thing was the speed sensor, which you guys saw me getting down there and fixing the whole thing. You know, we went on the speed sensor all the way right here, move it right here. We did a couple things, you know, so I'm pretty excited about everything's holding together. Everything is holding very tight. And now the next thing that we're doing is that we have done if the lights. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I wanna clean this very nice, okay, and all the suspension that we have, all this cognito suspension is going to get taken off the truck and powder coat, because I definitely want to have this more like a truck show. Once I have this powder coat and mounted, we're going to take the wheels out so we can get the wheels repolished, you know, and then probably painted the inside lip. So, but that's you know, that's gonna be on the upcoming months, guys, because it takes a lot of money. All right, so anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and I will see you on my next video. Bye.